All right, so here it is. It is together. One thing that I totally forgot is that there is a bolt that's right below here on mine. It should have been a stud, but if you're going to do it, make sure you got one of these. Makes your life a lot easier. It's got a couple leaks here and there as far as intake wise. I smoke tested it and it's got a couple leaks here and there. Nothing crazy, all easily fixed. I mean, I would attribute that to flange not sitting right, or maybe even a gasket's bad. But I mean, this thing fires right up. Look at that. So idle needs to be set. So it still idles pretty low. It struggles 500 to 600 RPMs, but overall it runs. I mean, it runs great. I mean, wow. All right, I've got a water pump running, so excuse the noise. I'm gonna try to talk over it, but here we are. This is a cold start. Idles at 900 or so. As you can see, it's kind of on the rough side. It's definitely not perfect. All right, so we're gonna let the car warm up. Let's see here. Battery is charging since we figured that out last time. Coolant temps is 90 degrees Fahrenheit, so we'll let it run and idle. I will try to adjust a little. I'm going to adjust a little bit more of this warm-up enrichment, take a little bit more out. See if that does a trick there. So we have it running. Gonna have to look into the throttle cable situation here. So here's the old linkage. The throttle essentially sits like that, and then you hit the throttle and it pulls up. This rotates upward. This linkage rotates upward, so we'll have to figure out how to move that. All right, here it is, dialed in a little bit more. We're working on the fuel table without a wideband, so we're just kind of going by feel. So we got a little bit of Excel enrichment that needs to be worked on, but listen to that.